How would you feel if I told you that you can make money on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all? In this video, we will discuss how to make a cash cow YouTube channel in the luxury niche. The reason why I chose this niche is that it's among the most popular and highest CPM cash cow YouTube channel niches. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make videos on the luxury niche. Stay tuned because you won't miss out on learning how to monetize these types of channels and use this exact strategy to start making money from home using YouTube. Just out of curiosity, if I can show you how to earn over $700 a month with a small YouTube channel, will you watch this video all the way until the end? The luxury niche has a high CPM because more advertisers prefer to advertise on this sort of video rather than in other niches on YouTube. I speculate videos in the luxury niche, much like the make money online niche, have a CPM range of $60 to $110 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. If someone uploads a hoax video on YouTube, there aren't as many advertisers that want to place adverts on those videos. Alternative forms of monetization for the luxury niche include affiliate marketing, selling your digital products and selling other things on the back end of your YouTube channel. The great thing about the luxury niche is that you may advertise products from sites like Digistore24.com and Clickbank.com and potentially earn more money than just from ad income. Let me show you a couple of example channels doing this identical thing to give you a clearer picture of how you will make money from YouTube without making videos in the luxury niche. It's one thing to teach you how to do it. It's quite another to show you examples of successful channels. The first channel I'd like to show you is called alux.com. There are 4 million subscribers to the channel. If you look at their videos, you'll notice that they have videos like 15 books that will get you from $0 to $1 million. If you watch the video, you'll see that there's just an intro, and then someone performing a voiceover displaying different clips they didn't even take. Nobody is showing their face or getting behind a camera for these videos. According to Social Blade, it receives over 4 million views each month and earns between $1,000 and $16,700 per month. When reading these statistics, it's important to remember that Social Blade assumes a CPM from 25 cents to $4 for every channel. Knowing this and knowing that alux.com received 4.184 million views over the past 30 days, we can assume that the channel earned between $250,000 to $460,000 in the past 30 days. Mr. Luxury is another channel that produces these types of videos. The owner launched the channel in 2018 and it now has over 600,000 subscribers. If we look at the Social Blade statistics, we can see that this channel received 622,157 views in the past 30 days and makes between $166 and $2,700 per month if we believe Social Blade's revenue reports. Mr. Luxury is likely making between $37,000 to $68,000 per month from Google AdSense. However, they could be making a lot more from alternative monetization methods, which I will share in this video today. Example videos on the Mr. Luxury channel include cars of famous billionaires. If you look closely, you'll notice that the strategy is the same. There's just an intro, then someone does a voiceover, then they show different clips that they didn't even take, and nobody shows their face or even gets behind a camera for these videos. Before we get into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Like the video and comment on the video to help with the algorithm. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 and profit on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. I know you're asking how you'll start gaining views if you're getting started with the channel. What are your plans for gaining subscribers? I'll show you exactly how to achieve that and show you examples of small YouTube channels that are still generating a lot of views to demonstrate that this is achievable even if you're just getting started. With around 5,300 subscribers, iRicher is an example of a small luxury channel. They produce similar videos, and according to the channel's statistics, the channel has 6,579 monthly views and generates between $390 and $715 in ad money. Consider how much money you could make if you were pushing affiliate products you didn't have to produce yourself on top of your ad revenue. So basically, in videos posted on these channels, you can see clips, images, and videos from different sources. These people get a video topic, do some research on it, create a script, perform a voiceover, get some clips, and edit it all together with the clips making sense with the voiceover. In this video, I'll go over those stages in detail. Finding a video topic is the first step. vidIQ is a search engine optimization tool that will assist you in arranging everything about your video, including the title and description and finding video themes. You can find a link in the description to try vidIQ for free. Another technique to develop a title for your video is to go to Twitter and look for hot trending topics. If Elon Musk is trending, you can make a luxury video on how he spends his fortune. You may even go to one of the luxury video channels and replicate the videos that have received the most views. For instance, if the most popular video was top 15 most opulent automobiles, you can remake it as top 10 most luxurious cars. So you're effectively duplicating popular content in the hopes of getting similar outcomes because it's previously been demonstrated. After choosing a theme, you must conduct research and then compose a script. If you cannot produce an excellent script, you can hire a freelancer on Upwork.com or Fiverr.com to write a whole script. When creating a script, you must establish the structure first. While some freelancers will write a full script for you, it will not be a blank canvas if you can provide them with the structure. Starting with a blank canvas is quite challenging, especially if you do it yourself. So you'll need to conduct extensive study on the subject by watching multiple videos and taking notes to nail down the framework, and your script will turn out beautifully. We're following these successful channels leads because they're successful. Modeling success doesn't mean you have to replicate everything word by word, nor do you have to copy the identical framework. It will be easier to write the script if you have the structure written down. After writing a script, I recommend running it through Copyscape to ensure that it is 100% unique and free of copyright violations. After writing the script, the following step is to record the voiceover. If you don't think you'll be able to complete the voiceover to your satisfaction, you can always outsource it to someone who can do it professionally using Fiverr or Upwork.com. You'll need a microphone if you intend to record it yourself. If you don't want to spend the money on a good microphone, I recommend using your phone. I'm sure most people viewing this video have a cell phone, and all you have to do is use the built-in voice recording program on your phone to record voiceovers. After your script and narration are ready, you collect footage and edit them together in a video editor. If you want to do the editing on your phone, I recommend downloading an app called Power Director, which will allow you to edit the videos and then post them to YouTube. Suppose you were using a computer, which I would encourage because a computer provides you with many capabilities that a phone does not. It will allow you to optimize your videos better. If you're using a laptop, I recommend using an editing application called OpenShot, which you can find at openshot.org, or another editor called Camtasia, which is even better because it allows you to record your audio inside of it, making things even more accessible. I recognize that the videos you produce are not always about people. You could also use stock videos from Pexels.com or Pixabay.com. For example, if you're making a video on luxury vehicles, you could always go to Pixabay.com and search for footage of the car you're discussing. Remember that the videos you're utilizing should make sense with the voiceover. If you're talking about a beautiful bed in the voiceover, you wouldn't want to display an image or video of a car or a jet. As a result, make sure the voiceover matches the photo or video on the screen. Now that I've shown you how to make videos in the luxury niche, let's talk about monetization. You can start running ads when your channel has 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. I recommend making your videos at least 8 minutes long to include many ad breaks. Once you've monetized your video, I recommend including an ad every 2 minutes throughout it, one at the beginning and one at the end. You can make a lot of money simply from ad revenue, but let's talk about more monetization options that might help you generate more money than just from ad revenue. Affiliate marketing is an alternate method of monetizing these videos that I promote. Because it's so straightforward, I believe this is the most acceptable approach to monetizing. So, effectively, you are a middleman who connects a buyer to a program or a product in exchange for a commission. Suppose you go to an affiliate marketplace like Digistore24.com, for example. In that case, there are thousands of things to sell. One of the primary reasons I chose the luxury niche is because there are so many different products you can push to individuals interested in it. People who watch luxury videos are interested in making money, and I'm sure many would be interested in making money online. There are tons of different products about making money online on the Digistore24.com marketplace. Once you find the exact product you want to promote, you can share the link to that product in the description and pin the link in the comments section of every video you upload. All you have to do is inform your viewers about the links you have shared in that video. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2022 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you've enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen that I selected just for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.